Are you looking for the best crypto app for beginners and want to know if crypto.com is it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested quite a lot of different crypto apps, and many viewers have asked me to make an updated crypto.com tutorial, and therefore I decided to record this video where I will give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, show the pros and the cons of it, so you can find out if this is the right app for you to use or not. So the first thing I just want to go over is that crypto.com actually offers a joining bonus. So I'll just talk about that before I log in and show you what else it offers, because you can get a joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And of course I do have an invitation link like that. It will give you between $25 and $50 as a joining bonus. It kind of depends on the specific campaigns they have running there. If you decide to actually get one of the Visa cards, we'll talk about the Visa cards later, but I just wanted to say that for a beginning. So if you decide to use it, then that can be a great start. But I'll leave a link, of course, below there. But before deciding if it's for you or not, let me now log in and then I'll show you what else you can do inside the app. So when you join crypto.com, you will automatically also get a lot of wallets for many different cryptocurrencies. They have a lot of cryptocurrencies listed here, and any good crypto app of course needs to make it easy for you to buy and sell. So let's start by going over how that works here on crypto.com. So basically you can see here, you can just do it here. There's buy sells. They also have this trade option. It works the same way. So I could just, for example, say like I wanted to buy, and then you can just choose any of the cryptocurrencies that they have here. You can see they have quite a lot of different ones, and you can also search for it here, or you can like look at the top gainers, the top losers, new ones, most traded ones, and then for example you choose it, and then you can choose here if it's just a one-time buy here, or you can also choose to do it like where it's recurring. So you set it up like DCA, so you say like every week, every day, every month, or every other week or so I buy for a certain amount. Or you can do like a target price. So that means like, okay, when BTC or Bitcoin reaches this price level there, I want to buy, so you don't have to sit and keep an eye on it. And that's basically it. Then you just choose here, you can have a fiat wallet where you can load it with cash there, or you can use Google Pay there. It's one of the crypto apps that actually make that possible. Or you can also pay with crypto if you have other cryptos there. You can also pay with cards here if you want to. So there are many different methods you can do this, and selling is basically the same. That you just go there, you choose the amount you want to. You can also choose there for example choose the target price. So you can select, okay, when it reaches this level, then I want to sell. So you can just, when you buy it, you say like, okay, when it increases 10%, I want to sell. So you don't have to sit and look at it. So buying, selling crypto inside here is super easy. It has good options. I like this option where they both have the one time but also the DCA option, super easy to set up, and this target price. So you basically, no matter what your strategy is, it makes it quite easy to do here. So if you decide to use the crypto.com app, then they also have this mission tab here that you should make sure to check out. Exactly where it's located, things like that. This can of course vary from time to time, but you can find it here, or also often over in the menu here you can find everything there. You see here we have missions also. So you can just go wherever, which way you prefer there. And here you can unlock, for example, and get these free diamonds there, store it in a vault there, and then you can use it in the store to redeem, for example, mystery boxes where you can get free crow, like the crypto.com's own cryptocurrency, and also sometimes you can get like other like NFTs or different other prizes here. And in general, like, you don't only get it by claiming this every day. There you can see there are also some different campaigns here daily. There you can, if you for example sell a certain amount, then you also get like a lot of diamonds there. This one where you just click, you just get one daily, but just by using it you will also get others. You also have this exploration there where you can set up different things, do different things, and the onboarding also there, and all this here that will give you these diamonds there, and then you can use that to get these mystery boxes and get free cryptocurrencies basically. So if you decide to use this, definitely make sure to check this one out there, because why not get some extra free cryptocurrencies, right? So crypto.com also has a few ways where you can earn cryptocurrencies passively. You of course, as we went over, like use it to buy and sell and trade like that, or just hold on to it. But if you decide to hold on to it, you can actually earn passively at the same time when you have cryptocurrency. So they have different options like that. They have the supercharger, where you basically just put some crows. You would need crypto.com's own cryptocurrency here to kind of like put that in the pool there, and then you can get some other cryptocurrencies for free there. You can use the earn option or the staking option. So for example, the earn option here, you see you can get a certain percentage back, and that depends on your membership level and things like that. We'll talk a little bit about that later. But you see, for example, just by having it standing here, you can see some of them that give up like to 10%, or sometimes they have special campaigns at 9%, 1%. So if you're just planning to hold on to your cryptocurrencies anyways, that can be a way to just earn passively basically. And they also have that with the staking option, where you stake it. They have certain cryptocurrencies where you can do that. You can see some of them even they give like more than 16%. This is of course like a yearly estimated yearly return there, so you can see you can stake it there, many different cryptocurrencies. And yeah, again, of course, it can be an unlocking period, so it can take a bit of time if you want to sell it here now. Suddenly, just be aware of that. But other than that, if you're planning to hold on to certain cryptocurrencies for a longer time, you can go in here. You can earn passively, and they pay out, weekly, so you can just see your account actually growing like that. So another thing you can consider if you decide to use crypto.com is to get a Visa card they have. It's like a metal Visa card, very good quality. And there's different advantages of this. I talked about earlier that you can get a joining bonus, and you will get that joining bonus, like first of all, if you use an invitation code, as mentioned. I will leave mine below there, and then you can go in here, and then you can see you need to stake a certain amount of crypto.com's own cryptocurrency to get a crypto card there. A Visa card is a physical card you will actually get. You can use it as any other Visa cards. You can easily get access to your crypto and spend it both online, offline, in any store that actually accepts Visa there. And once you actually get a card like that, you will also then get that joining bonus. So that's a condition of getting that joining bonus. And you can see they have different options here. And they also have other advantages than that, than just the joining bonus. You can see, for example, you actually get cash back. Whenever you spend your card, you'll get cash back. You'll be paid in Crow, the crypto.com's cryptocurrency, into your account here. And depending on how much you get there and what benefits you get, it will depend on your membership. You can see if you, for example, stake more there, then you will also get 100% rebate for Netflix and Spotify. For the lowest one you will get for Spotify, so you'll basically get it for free for 6 months there. And here you can also see other spending rewards. You'll get access to airport lounges there, others rates for the crypto earn there. You can see here some of the highest ones there. Of course, here that's also like a huge amount there. You can see you will need to stake, but then you also get a lot of benefits. So it's just to let you know that that they have that option. It can be an easy way to get access to your crypto. You can earn more with it, and also you get the joining bonus, and you get other benefits. So it's something to consider. It's great when crypto platforms in general make it easy to get access to it and get benefits for it. So again, something to consider here. You can just go in there, activate it, order it there, and then they will send to it physically also. So one more thing I want to go over in here is if you go to the main menu here, then there is something called crypto.com Pay here. And basically this is where you can get cash back if you shop through here. So it's kind of like a cashback platform there. So you can see there are many different options. Like shops here, you can get 5% cashback. So that means like if you shop through here, you'll actually get a certain percentage back here into your crypto.com account there. You can see they also have gift cards there. So there's like many different gift cards. So if you ever use that, and this will depend on the country you live in. In some countries they have like hundreds of gift cards. So if you're planning to buy certain things in a certain shop or give gift cards, so you can buy through here, get cash back, and then you still have the gift card full amount, but just get something extra there. So they also have it where you can do it if you send crypto here through the app or airtime in certain countries. So definitely also a section that is worth checking out. Something that in my experience and from what I hear is something people often overlook, this pay section here. But if you decide to use it, make sure to check this out, because if you're going to spend money anyways, why not get a percentage back if you were going to use some of the partner stores anyways? So that was the main features of crypto.com. One thing I would say is that I've used it for quite a while, and they keep expanding and improving the usability and tweaking things to make it more user-friendly and better to use. So I definitely like that aspect of it. And overall, it's very easy to use whether you're a beginner or you need more advanced features also, whether you want to buy, sell, hold, earn passively. And then it has these extra things with the Visa card and cashback options and things like that. So overall, definitely I think it is one of the better apps when it comes to cryptocurrencies and handling and dealing with cryptocurrencies. But of course, when it comes to things like this, where you want your money, what you want to do, I'm not a financial advisor, all that is completely up to you. That is something you need to decide for yourself, make those decisions for yourself. This was just to show you exactly how it works if you decide to use it. And as mentioned, I will leave my invitation code below, so if you decide to join, you can get that joining bonus. I explain more about how you would get that. Also, I do have a whole playlist of other crypto.com tutorials if you want to know more about it. I'll also leave a link to that below there. And in general, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.